Imagine, what would you achieve if you had someone who believed in you even when you didn't? Hi, I'm Richa Sharma and I'm here to guide you on your journey to success. So if you are struggling to crack UPSC with the right mentor, let us step up your preparation. Starting from 9th of April, we have for you Step Up Mentorship 2026, which is a 4-layered mentorship program designed to plan your entire exam cycle, enhance answer writing skills, MCQ solving aptitude, and sharpen your exam cracking aptitude. Now with us, you can get one-on-one mentorship from an IAS IPS topper, expert guidance from Vajiram's faculty, and a continuous support from your personal mentor. We additionally offer you exclusive workshops, application-ready workbooks, thematic videos, test series, and a lot more. Through all this, we ensure that you don't just study, but you design your success. So don't leave your UPSC dream to chance. Step up and conquer. Enroll now.